Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to be making chicken fried rice. It's really beautiful, and instead of putting the egg mixed in, I've made an omelette to go on the side. It's a ginger omelette with sesame seed oil, a little bit of sriracha. It's really good. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. Now this was cooked yesterday, it's been in the fridge. Cold rice fries really nicely, hot and warm rice not so much. Then we've got 1 cup of carrots cut nice and small, roughly the same green onions or spring onions. 1 cup of sliced red onion, just under a cup of bell pepper, cup of green peas, garden green peas. They were frozen, I just put them into some cold water for a few minutes. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. I've got a tablespoon of garlic there. We're going to add just a couple of other bits, but yeah, really good this one. So I've got my chicken in a slightly larger bowl. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a dark soy. Just going to mix that in. And then we can get to the cooker. So I've got my wok here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil right now. Heat is on high and we're going to cook with a high heat all the way, like maximum heat. We're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion and the 1 cup of carrots cut really nice and small. To that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic. If you wanted, you could add the same amount of ginger. I'm opting out of that today, just going with the garlic. We're now going to add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much salt because the soy sauce and the fish sauce from the chicken, which is very salty, but a nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper. Stay with me. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add the chicken that we just marinated for a little while. Okay, 4 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Fabulous. We're now going to add in 1 cup of the garden peas and just under 1 cup of the green bell peppers. And again, about another 3 minutes, high heat. Keep this baby moving all the time. Really fabulous. Okay, we're now going to go in with 3 cups of cold cooked rice. Like I say, cold always works out a bit better than warm or hot rice. I cooked that yesterday, it's been in the fridge overnight. Now, we need to fry the rice. So, 5 minutes, high heat. Keep it moving. If you get a little bit of brown or blackening on the rice, for me, I think that's wonderful. So I hope you can hear that there. That's your rice frying. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Let's get half of our green onions in there. Mix that in. I'm going to stick that to one side. And we're now going to do some eggs. So I've got a much smaller pan here. I'm going to drop some oil in. Now this is a sesame oil, really nice and nutty. To that, I've got some ginger, cut nice and small, nice strips. I need some black pepper. And just for like 90 seconds, let that go in that sesame oil. Really beautiful. Okay, I've now got 3 eggs that I've beaten. I've got some sriracha here, which is a kind of mild chili. It's quite sweet actually. That was probably 2 or 3 teaspoons. And then we're just going to bring it in from the edge and cook this, well, however you like really. I like my one fairly well done. Beautiful. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get those green onions, the other half of those green onions on there, and we can serve that. And there you go, job done. That's beautiful, that rice, chicken fried rice, and the egg on the side. Some people obviously put it inside. I like the kind of the ginger omelette on the side, and then we can kind of tuck into it. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love.
Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.
Lots of love.